Dear ladies and gentlemen, dear athletes and fans, dear friends, it's my great pleasure to be here at the closing ceremony of our 28th Winter Universiade. Almaty is the city of thousand colors, the city with a millennial history, the golden cradle of our independence. This was the biggest sport competition in the history of Kazakhstan and the first Winter Universiade in the region. I would like to express my special gratitude to the FISU President, Mr. Oleg Matitsyn, and the entire FISU team for their cooperation and support. We thank all judges, delegates, media, officials, and tourists. I would like to especially thank our 3,000 volunteers from 21 countries who worked day and night and helped us with the games. Through social media, news, personal interactions, we see that athletes, tourists, and citizens enjoyed the games and their stay in Almaty. As Tyler Grove from the USA hockey team said, he was happy to come to Kazakhstan and liked everything here: arena, accommodation, and beautiful city. I am sure this opinion is shared by all athletes. We built all the venues, but it is you, the athletes, who brought life to them. Thanks to Universiade, we made new friends with people from across the world. We have had the opportunity to welcome official delegations from Lake Placid who hosted Universiade back in 1972, future host of Winter Universiades in Krasnoyarsk and Lucerne. We are one big FISU family now. This Universiade has left a great legacy in the city and hearts and minds of our people. All this will certainly give new impulse to development of tourism and the city.